Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this look right here. You can see how dewy my skin looks. So this is basically for all the college girls, for the girls who are going out for their first date and who wants their face to look really good with minimalistic product. You can go with this look. Let's quickly jump into the video. Okay guys, so the first step is tie your hair. Make sure there is no baby hair coming on your face. Okay, so I will be applying a moisturizer which is from the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer on my face. Make sure you move your skin upwards and massage your skin before applying a base, because you have to bring back that hydration and you have to make your skin look good and dewy, right? Make sure you just lift your skin upward and not drag it like this. After that, because this is no makeup look, I will be skipping using a primer. I will be using a concealer. Now make sure the concealer matches your skin tone, so that it covers and conceals the under eye area. Now I will be taking a beauty blender. You can also blend it from your finger if you don't have a beauty blender, but I would suggest to buy a beauty blender. Make sure you blend everything. Blending is the key for a dewy base. If you don't blend your product properly, it will look greasy and it won't give you a good look. Blend the product into your skin. Do not sweep, okay? Sweeping is not what you have to do. Blend the product. Now I will be taking foundation to hide my acne scar. You can skip this step. Just go through your sponge all over your face so that your face doesn't look left out. I will be using translucent powder which is from Sugar. Just take your beauty sponge, dab it on your face. This is to set your face so that the foundation or the concealer doesn't come off. Okay, so the next step is eyeshadow. I will be applying a very less amount of eyeshadow. I will be applying 2 lipsticks I have here because I want a good peachy look. I'll be taking it on the back of my hand. It looks like this. I will be applying it on top of my eyes. Make sure you apply very little bit of eyeshadow because you are doing a no makeup look or a makeup for college. You can blend it with your finger or a brush. Okay, this is how it would look. Now if you think that this would be very sticky because you are using a lipstick, you can apply eyeshadow. What you have to do, you have to just take a little bit, tap the excess product. Now take time and blend the product. Start your makeup 30 minutes before, even if you are doing a no makeup look. Now your blush should be a peachy one because you are doing a no makeup look. I would suggest you to go for coral or a peachy look instead of wearing a very dark blush. So what I will be doing is just take the lipstick on the other side of your hand. You will also put it on your nose so that it will give you a good sun-kissed look. A really important step after applying blush. If you think it is too sticky, because this is not sticky, but if you think it is sticky, what you can do is take any powdery blush. I will show you the swatch. Now make sure you apply a very little bit because these blush are really pigmented. Okay. Bas, itna hi. And then what you do, take your beauty sponge and blend the product into your skin, or else it would end up looking unnatural. Okay, if you have applied a lot of blush and you're not satisfied with the look, what you can do is you can take a pump of your foundation and take it on your beauty blender. This is how it would look. Then on my eyes, I will be applying Maybelline ka mascara. Now for those who do not have a good lashes, take a mascara and you can keep it in warm water for like 10 to 15 minutes and then apply, because the consistency will be really thin. So you can apply 3 to 4 coats. Just lift up your eyelashes. For applying this mascara, you can see on the lower lash line, I like applying kajal. You can also apply a kajal. So I will apply my kajal first. Apply my kajal on my lash line like this. I know I have made a mistake. I should have applied it before rather than applying it now, but it's okay. Just tight line your waterline. This is how it would look. Then you will apply your mascara on your lower lash line. Then comes the final product, which is our lipstick. I have shown how you can get fuller lips, so you can follow the steps and get fuller lips. I will be taking this lipstick, which is from Sugar. The key for no makeup look is I have used same product on my eyes for eyeshadow, on my cheek for blush, and also on my lips. Go with this shade, which is red. So if you don't want, you can just finish up this look here, but I will be applying a little bit of red color. Now if you want to apply a highlighter, you can go with a highlighter. Personally, I don't like applying highlighter, so I won't be going with the highlighter. In case if you think anything you have applied which is not looking good, you can correct it with your beauty sponge, or you can just blend. Now listen, you have to blend the product into your skin. Whatever product you are using, you are applying, just blend it with your beauty blender, because I know most of us are beginners. So this is the final result. This is how it looks with the highlighter. This is the side without a highlighter. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what else you need. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I need to clear the mess.